Hey guys, this is Dan at Garbage European. So I just received this clamp-on current probe and wasn't quite sure when I bought it about the specs, but well, let me tell you, I am pleasantly surprised. So this is just a comparison test here that I'm running. Um, First thing that I noticed was really nice format this puppy is made out of. So has a relatively small pickup, which is somewhere around an inch and a quarter maybe on the OD, and just had to lose the clip. So anyways, I'm running a 10 volt power supply through it, 250 ohm, and we're coming up with 41 milliamps on the fluke, and this thing here is reading 39. Let's reset it again. Try clamping it one more time. So 36 milliamps, still 41 over here. So that's a pretty good reading for my purposes in the automotive world. So if anybody's looking, and I know you guys are always looking for current clamps, let's see what the test of time does, but this looks pretty good. Hope it's going to help somebody in their decision making for buying their clamp.